Okay, so we'll take this black gasket off of here. Put that on there like that. But probably before I get too carried away on this, just check the spark plug. Just make sure it's not scored or anything. I just don't want to spend all this time on this of the piss and scored. So we'll pop the plug out and just see how it was burning before this happened. Actually, it looks pretty doggone good. Just want to double check that I had to throw a brand new carburetor on here and stuff if the engine was no good. So it just takes a minute or two just to check your plug, especially on this 2-cycle stuff. Don't hurt to spend another minute or two just to double check it. So got our new carburetor, so we'll go ahead and put it on here. Then these 2 hoses, you can tell one's longer than the other one because one hose, the longer hose goes to the top one, and the bottom hose goes to the shorter one. And let's see, that goes in that pin up there like that. And that goes like that. So let's hook up these fuel lines here. Get this throttle cable put into place. Make sure all that's working good. I'm going to put some 2-cycle fuel in here. Make sure the pumping system's working good on the new carburetor. So let's push the primer bulb. You can see gas is coming through. And it's circulating through the... It comes in this bottom one, and you push this primer bulb and it shoots the excess gas back down to the tank. So we know that's all working good. So let's put this air filter base back on. And this back plate is that throttle cable. There's a pin that goes in, so make sure that's in all the way. I'll go ahead and tighten her down. Them snugged up good. And just double check. Make sure everything's going good. And I'll put our new air filter in there. Make sure that clips into place. Okay. Our next step is see if we can get it running. Okay, we got the gas in there. We already primed it. And I got me a little screwdriver to adjust it. This is a brand new carburetor. So once we get started, gonna have to fine tune it. So make sure the switch is on the on position. Put the choke lever to the choke position. And once it pops, or kind of once it starts, then we'll take it off the choke. So okay, there you go. You know, the customer's gonna be happy now. But I'm sure he'll have to figure out what happened to his carburetor anyway. But anyways, hope you liked the video and thanks for watching and you have a good afternoon.